Student and Pupils Introduction. A bright morning begins at a beautiful school. Children are entering their classrooms with excitement. Among them is Ollie, a curious young boy who loves learning. Have you ever heard the words student and pupil? Many people think they mean the same thing, but there is a small difference between them. Let's learn through Ollie's story. Ollie in primary school. Ollie studies in a primary school. He learns basic subjects such as English, mathematics, science, and Urdu. His teachers guide him every day and help him understand new lessons. A young learner in a primary or elementary school is often called a pupil. Pupils are usually children who are still receiving basic education. Growing up. Years pass and Ollie grows older. He works hard, studies regularly, and achieves excellent grades. After completing school, he joins a college. As learners become older and continue their education in high school, college, or university, they are more commonly called students.
College life.
Ollie attends lectures, completes assignments, and participates in group projects. He learns independently and takes responsibility for his studies. Narrator. A student is someone who studies at a school, college, or university. The word student is broader and can be used for learners of all ages. Understanding the difference. The teacher stands in front of the class and explains the difference. A pupil is usually a young child studying in a primary school. A student can be anyone who is learning, especially in higher levels of education. Both pupils and students learn, grow, and gain knowledge. The main difference is often their age and level of education. Success through learning. Ollie completes his education and becomes a successful teacher. He now helps young children learn and achieve their dreams. Whether you are a pupil or a student, education is the key to success. Learning helps us build a brighter future and achieve our goals.